Greetings, my fellow descendants. It's your boy right here, K-Pro, and I'm back with yet another interesting tutorial. Oh yes. Now make sure that you do me a very huge favor. Press the subscribe button for me, and do drop a comment of what you think about the tutorial. If you have anything negative to say, please keep it to yourself. I really appreciate that, guys. Join the WhatsApp groups. I have new WhatsApp group links on the description. All right, guys. And before I continue, I would like to say that each and every day we are really trying to make this channel to be more professional and look better and better. In terms of like our technicalities and so forth. So really, if there's something that you'd like to contribute in order for better, viewer experience, for better quality, if you feel like there's something that we don't have in our videos that you'd like us to have, you can always drop a donation for us. We have our banking details in the first comment section, and then you can just donate right there. Right, guys? So guys, today I'm going to be talking about the poster. Right? I'll be talking about the poster. I'm very excited about this one because people are going to be like, but why is this person talking about the poster? Like it just doesn't make sense. Why is he talking about the poster? Like, why is he talking about the poster? All right, cool. So today I'm going to be talking about the poster. All right, I didn't write that down. All right, again, I'm going to be talking about the poster. I'm very dumb, so I don't know anything about digital things. Yeah, so we're talking about the poster today. We're going to be talking about the poster. So guys, the poster is maybe called an advertisement in your English paper 3. Remember, I told you guys that I'm dwelling a lot on paper 3. So you most commonly, or most probably finding it on your English paper 3. Do you understand what I'm saying? Right. I don't know what's going on here. All right. You're most probably finding it on your paper 3. So it's very important to know what you're doing if you're dealing with your poster. Do you understand what I'm saying? So hence I'm saying that today we are actually dealing with your poster. I had to write it down in this manner so that you guys can see what's going on, right? So we are dealing with the poster, right? So you're probably asking yourself a question, why the poster? Because the poster is usually 20 marks. It's a transactional text in a way. So guys, I just want to show you something that is very simple. A technique that you guys can use to get full marks on a poster that you guys were not considering. So please make sure that you do subscribe to the YouTube channel. Donate. My equipment was stolen. I bought a new mic last year from donations from my I think it was my 2022 learners, and it was stolen. So I have to start all over. In order for me to bring you quality content, I have to raise that money again. So if you really want to donate, trust me, your donations are gonna go. You're gonna see the channel really improving, right? So thank you very much, guys. So 20 marks for the poster, right? 20 marks for the poster. Look, poster, it's somewhere or somehow or whatever you guys call it, an advert, ne? A poster can also be called an advert. Let's be realistic, ne? Remember, my handwriting is very poor, but now you must have a pen and paper so that you can understand what I'm saying. A lot of children have secured distinctions and 90% with this form of handwriting. They have more marks than learners who sit in class and see pure, beautiful handwriting from their teachers. So it shows that handwriting doesn't matter. What matters is what content are you being given, or are you being fed, right? So the poster, the advert, it's the same thing, right? So the mistake that you do is that you think that because now it's a poster, you think about your school and you start creating those posters that are weak and stuff, and then you think you're gonna get marks. Guys, please, this is not primary school. Primary school, guys, all the marks that you got in primary school, those were free marks. I want to be honest with you. Those were free marks. You never got a distinction in maths. You never got a distinction in English. Primary school marks are primary school marks. Teachers just used to come up with marks in Shelapaya, right? Real marks come from here now. All right. So, the poster and the advert is the same thing, right? Because now this poster, there's certain information that it's giving. Number two is that this poster must also be able to drag the attention of the reader. This poster must also be able to be eye-catching, so that this person can be able to buy or to attend whatever thing that they have to attend. Do you understand what I'm saying? So the only thing that confuses people is that now this poster is not a direct advertisement. How? It is an advertisement, but it's an advertisement what type? An event advertisement. Do you understand what I'm saying? Listen, adverts abroad. Ne? Adverts abroad, we can have a mayonnaise advert. Sorry for using somebody's brand's name. I might get sued or something. But it's fine. We can have a bricks advert. We can have an advert about food. We can have an advert about whatsoever. Those are products. Those are items. We can have do you understand what I'm saying? And then we also have an advert about an event or a show, whereby Casper Your Vest is coming, right? So guys, we have to make sure that we understand and have the logic behind this. The poster is a form of an advertisement, but what form of an advertisement? The poster is the event advertising. Basically, where you are actually advertising an event or a function, right? So now I'm gonna show you something that learners like doing. It annoys me really, because you're gonna get to your exam room, they say do a poster. This is free marks, guys, but I want to help you out to get the most out of it. You get there, they say do a poster, you say market day, market day, time, venue, date, right there. Then you draw a picture of food, then you're done. Come and have fun with us. Then you expect to get 18/20 konala. Right here. This is work. What are they testing for? Guys, that's why I always say that English is intertwined, or I don't know what I can say. It's interconnected in a way that don't eradicate your knowledge on paper 1 and think it won't be needed for your paper 3. It's the same as mathematics. The thing that you are doing, or whatever thing you are doing in paper 1 in mathematics, don't eradicate it, because you're going to need the very, very same knowledge in your paper 2, right? Even in physics. If you are doing physics, you know that whatever you did in physics paper 1 will also be intertwined with paper 2. So even in English is the same. What you did in paper 1 carries on in paper 2, but in a different form, and even in paper 3. So a poster is an advertisement, but this time when you're not answering questions based on what? On an advertisement that is already done, but this time you are creating your own advertisement. And what type of an advertisement is that? It's an event advertisement. Remember, what do we have when we're dealing with an advertisement? We have what we call now a persuasive technique, right? What is a persuasive technique now? Persuasive techniques are those things that now the not the viewer, but the person who's initiating this poster, or the person who's creating this advertisement is using to drag your attention, right? These are the things that he's using to drag you closer. Do you understand what I'm saying? So basically what is happening now is that when the first thing that you should do when you're doing a poster, you take a pencil, you go on the side on your answer sheet, and then you say persuasive techniques. You remind yourself, a persuasive technique, first of all, the first thing that must be there is a visual image, right? And what does a visual image do? It attracts the reader's attention, it keeps the reader engaged, and so forth, right? Remember that. And then you'll be like, okay, we must also have a slogan. All right, slogan. Next, we must also have a bold font, right? We must have maybe a font style, right? And then we must also have color. Remember all those things, right? And then you must also have stats. If it's not stats, you can also have a celebrity. And then you can also say personal pronouns, which is PP, personal pronouns, right? You write this down, and this is going to be your guideline for creating your poster. So when you're creating your poster, when you are ticking the boxes to see that, do I have an image? Did you draw? Yes, I drew. Ne? Okay, do I have a slogan? Yes, I have a slogan. Listen, why do I say you do this? When they mark at the marking center, they're going to come and say, does this thing have a visual image? Okay, out of 5, 4/5 for the visual image. Perhaps they're only marking for only 5 of these only, or 4 of them. So, okay, there's a visual image. The visual image, is it interesting or what? Okay, 4/5. Is there... Definitely a visual image must be there. It's a must. They mark it first. Then they check out. there's a personal pronoun now, 5 out of 5. They are working very, very hard. They are smart. Oh, there's bold font. This person knows how to advertise. So guys, the details about daytime and whatsoever, they don't have marks. What has marks is that they are trying to see if the knowledge that you are using in paper 1 to understand your persuasive techniques, are you applying it in your paper 3? Are you closing the knowledge, or are you eradicating that knowledge that you had in paper 1? Because now you are doing paper 3, and this paper 3 is your last paper. Do you understand what I'm saying? So English doesn't want a person who is close-minded, because it's going to fill up with you. Do you understand what I'm saying? So make sure that you bring together your thinking, you bring together your pieces, and you focus on actually what is happening, not forgetting what you did in paper 1 and paper 2, because it can still come back, but in another form, because examiners like playing around like that. So your poster, you know it's okay. If I have a visual, this is your guideline. First, I must have a picture. You draw a picture. A slogan, you create your own slogan. You understand what I'm saying? Bold font, which means your title will be very, very bold, right? B, you understand, whatever. And then you know that, okay, since I have this, I can also maybe say MT and Casper Nyavesta coming, which is now contributing to what? The celebrity persuasive technique. Or you can also say 80% of the hood is coming, which is also a statistics, and it's also adding what? Credibility to the poster, making people to be more interested. When the examiner sees all these things, the examiner gets interested into marking you and giving you full marks. If there's any questions, guys, or you don't understand, then you can just hit me up on the comment section. And then my number is 0814485811. If you can't remember it, go to the description, but I'm going to repeat it: 0814485811. Tutoring for tutoring when it comes in terms of English. All right, guys, before I leave you guys in peace, I think on the 1st of September, we will be now hosting now our official cross night for the prelims, which is going to prepare you guys for the prelims, in order that for that when we have the final cross night, then we know that everything is ready. So we're going to be having an English cross night on the 1st of September. The price is 200 rands. Poster is going to be on the comment section. The tickets are going to be available on web tickets. It takes place on Zoom. It takes place via Zoom the whole night. Team no sleep. We're working. It's all systems go. Yes, and I think most learners in South Africa are going to be in that cross night, so you don't want to miss out on that, so that you can get great marks on your prelims, because your prelims determine the marks that you're going to get in the final. So it's not something that you can play around with, right? So it's going to be 200 rands, but you're going to see everything on the poster, including the tickets and where you can get the tickets, so that you can just book your ticket now and have your ticket on your phone, or you have your registration number on the phone in advance. I'm doing this in advance so that if you don't have money, you can save up or try and come up with a way so that you can be ready for that particular moment. All right. And then another thing that I want to say is that I'll also be releasing a textbook, but I won't be telling you the date. The textbook is just going to be out. So for those learners that cannot learn via video learning, or maybe there's some that are deaf or something like that, then actually they can actually read the textbook, which has all this information that I'm giving out. Do you understand? I'm really trying to accommodate all types of learning. There's people that learn by doing, there's people that learn by seeing, there's people that learn by hearing, and what I'm doing here only covers for those that can see and hear. So I really want to accommodate that learn by listening, learn by reading. Do you understand what I'm saying? And then I'm think later on, when it comes to physical science, I'm really in the process of having now physical experiments in the lab, actually, when I'm explaining a topic and I'm actually doing it, so that those ones that I believe in doing can actually understand even much more better. You know, it's better in physics. It's a practical subject where you must actually do something. Hence, I've not been dropping physics tutorials, because I actually want to do something that is lab related, so that you can see this thing happening in real life. Because if you can bring physics to life, then it becomes easier. So guys, thank you very much. Let me not dwell too much on this tutorial, because it was a very easy tutorial. Please do follow us on Facebook, Sci Masterians. Follow us on TikTok and also in Instagram. Tell your friends that I'm the best tutor in South Africa. They should follow me. If there's any questions, just holler. If there's anything you want to say to me, you can just holler. If you feel like I said anything bad to you, I'm sorry. I work with a lot of people. Please don't drop any negative comments. Let's work together until you guys can secure those distinctions. There is no learner that came out from Sci Masters with less than 62%. So I really believe in the class of 2023, guys. Thank you very much, guys. I really love you all and all that. All the best. Thank you.